It is a kind of cabinet finish in plastic inside which we find 12 adjustable hangers in size and a receptacle that we must fill with water so that the machine is able to generate steam. By means of an arm that goes up and down applying the heat, Effie is in charge of ironing and giving steam to each one of the garments that we hang in its hangers. It works with shirts, pants, t-shirts, skirts and in general simple and one-piece garments. You can also work with multiple fabrics such as cotton, polyester, silk, viscose, etc. and it takes about 3 minutes to iron each garment. According to the brand, taking into account the time it takes to place the iron, turn it on and ironing, Effie is up to 95% faster. At the moment it is a prototype that is drawing attention on the web and its creators pretend that it can start to be booked from March 2018 for a price yet to be determined, but that should not be excessively expensive, since it does not count with much technological complexity.